Propane Regulator dual stage model number 9398. And you can purchase this, it's linked in the description below. So I picked this up. I had to get a dual stage regulator for my food truck. I had one that was leaking, but I'm gonna show you what comes inside this box. It comes with the regulator, and I'm gonna spin it around and just show you what it looks like. And that port right there is a 3/8 port, and it comes with instructions. And I had to buy this 3/8 by 3/8 flare fitting separately, but it will be a link below in the description if you need to purchase one. And it also comes with this sealant. You can use Teflon tape if you would like, but what you want to do is put it around the male fitting that screw inside that 3/8 port, and you tighten it down with a crescent wrench or whatever wrench that would fit that size. But you don't need a lot of that sealant on it. I'm gonna show you what it would look like once I put this sealant on. I'm gonna zoom in so you can look at it. I didn't put much on there, and what you want to do is let it sit for at least 24 hours before you put it on your truck or on your propane bottle. Okay, now I'm gonna mix some soap and water. And this is for testing for leaks on your propane fittings and propane regulator. As you see, I'm filling up the spray bottle, and I use Dawn soap. You can use any kind of soap. I'm gonna put about an ounce in there, maybe a little bit over an ounce, and I'm gonna shake it up. And you don't need too much of the dish detergent or whatever soapy stuff that you're putting in there. So now I'm going to get ready to test my regulator out. So I got a 20-pound propane bottle. I'm gonna screw it in, and only thing you need to do is go counterclockwise and hand tighten this. That's all you need to do is hand tighten it. Once I got it tightened, I'm gonna get my soap and water. I'm gonna turn it on first, slowly turn it on, open it up. Then I'm gonna get my soap and water, and I'm gonna spray it and check for leaks. Make sure you check all around on the regulators, all the fittings. Also the valve there on your bottle, you wanna check it also. Make sure you don't have no leaks. And I'm gonna zoom in so you can see if there are any leaks. I'm gonna spray a little bit more. As you can see, there's no leaks, no bubbles coming anywhere. So there's no leak in this regulator. I'm gonna also check this fitting here on my truck. Make sure there's no leak on it. It look like it may be a small leak, so I'm gonna tighten that up. Now I'm gonna fire up my deep fryers. I'm gonna turn both of them on. These are 40-pound deep fryers, and then I'm gonna check for leaks again while it's running. So my deep fryers are running, and they're on at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm checking to make sure I don't have no leaks once it's running. Okay, look like we don't have no leaks. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you. And also the description for the regulator and the fittings are in the description below. All right, bye.